Students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss some most common question asked in English. So let's get started. First one is, how are you? The most common answer is, I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Next one. Where are you from? It means someone is asking about your home, your exact location. So, the most common answer is, I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States. You can either tell the exact location of your home. Next one, what do you do for a living? It means someone is asking about your earning resources. So the answer is, I am a teacher. Or you can also say, I am working as a software engineer. Next one, do you have any siblings? It means someone is asking about your brothers and sister, excluding you. Alright? And the answer is yes. I have two brothers. Listen, guys, these questions and answers are vary from person to person. This is a general and common session of questions and answer. Next one. How old are you? People usually do not ask about anyone's age. So this is a general question. So you can say, I'm 30. You can also say, I'm 30 years old. These two are same. How do you spell your last name? In this question, someone is asking about your surname. Last name means surname. Usually people find it difficult to pronounce someone's surname. So if anybody asks you about how do you spell your last name, now for example, my last name, I mean my surname is Smith. So I'll say it's spelled Smith like this. It's spelled S M I T H. It's spelled Smith. Next one. Do you enjoy cooking? So it's up to you. It's this answer vary from person to person, as I told you before. So as for me, I will reply yes. I love cooking. Next one. Have you been here before? No, it's my first time. No, it's my first time. Next one. Are you busy this weekend? So the answer is yes. I already have plans. Next one. Did you watch the game last night? If we talk about US or UK, people usually like to watch football match. So the answer of this question will be yes, it was exciting match. Or you can either say, if you did not watch the match, you can say no, I don't get a chance. Who won? Next one, how was your day? It's the most common question usually people ask. People, I mean, your friends and colleague ask about you. How was your day? It was pretty good. Next one, where do you live? Now, in this question, someone is asking about our current location, our current address. And in previous question, our question was where are you from? I mean, someone is asking about our hometown, basic location. So, there's a difference between these two questions. Now, in this question, someone is asking about our current location, current home address. So, the answer is I live in suburb. I live in suburbs. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat called Max. Yes, I have a cat called Max. Next one. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, it was good. Next one. Can you speak any other language? So if you can speak, you can say yes, I'm fluent in Spanish. Yes, I'm fluent in Spanish. Thank you so much for watching this video.